Okay, we just about got our press set up for what we're going to use it for. The last accessory is the Lee Case Collator. Because when I bought a case feeder, it has 4 tubes, and the tubes just dangle there. And this is like a $12, $15 item, depending on where you get it. Now it is the plastic tub with 4 holes in it that line up on the thing. And there are instructions: install, align, shake correlator with one hand while adding a handful of cases to the bowl. Avoid dropping cases directly into the holes as they may enter upside down. Case will enter the tubes faster. Alright, well, we're going to give it a try. See. Get it up on in there. Basically all you got to do is line it up and set it in. So I'll do that. Okay, there we are, installed. So, get ready for our reloading session. I guess you just put them in. And they go in upside down no matter what you do. So, just as I thought. But it does make it a bit easier than just holding them. Because the way I shake, I drop them and everything else. You just set them in there. Alright, I guess it's worth it. It speeds that up. I was doing it a lot longer the other way, so let's get it loaded. Okay, like I said, I got the case correlator installed. There's a few other people that have one of these machines set up, and they were telling me you get about 95 or something 9mm cases in there, and it's going to go by the case length. So let's say you get about 109s in there. I don't know how many bullets go in the tube feeder on the bullet loader, or the bullet feeder, but that's a nice option. And so we got everything set up. The only other accessory you could get for this machine would be a multi-tube for the bullet feeder. So now I got everything set. I'm confident with my powder charges and that. So my powder's metering. So we're going to start. I'm loading 9mm with a 125 grain cast bullet. And what I've done is I've sized, deprimed, and washed my cases. So I don't have a sizing die in the first station. So let's give it a crank and see how we do. Again, my for some reason I keep getting a screw up with that bullet feeder. Might have to look at it. It was working all right. Alrighty. Yeah, looks like it's working. I'm getting some intermittent problems with the bullet feeder. It was working okay, and then all of a sudden it don't pick up a bullet for some reason. Why, I don't know. But like with anything, you have to kind of run it a bit and work the bugs out of it. Best thing to do is just keep your eye on everything and go slow at first till you get used to it. About the worst thing you can do with a progressive loader is get complacent. complacency, and that's where you'll get a mistake. And like I said, because you have several things going at once. But that's about it for accessories. I'm going to run this a little bit, and then I'm going to do a video giving my conclusion on this. I'll tell you, if any of these accessories are giving me a problem. And I'll also give you the total cost for what I have here so you can get an idea. But I'm going to run this a bit, and I'm just going to make sure I'm double checking everything, powder charges, and like I said, this bullet feeder's acts a little odd every now and again. But some of the other users say it does that. It'll either, when it gets down to the last 2 bullets, it'll skip or misfeed or drop the bullet or something. So I'll just run it a bit and then give you my conclusions and total cost of what this package came up to in the next video.